What's up, guys? Here's a quick video on how to compress the turn style pistons on a brake caliper, as you can see here. So this particular vehicle is a 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan, but a lot of rear brakes are like this. If you ever run into this, this will be kind of your procedure. All right, so check this out, guys. This is a brake caliper compression kit. Now you can rent one of these at like AutoZone, those type of places, but they're gonna charge you, they're gonna put like a deposit on your credit card or debit card. It's gonna be like $125 or something like that. Now they'll give it back to you whenever you bring this back. You can keep it a day, a week, whenever, but you know, they gotta hold that money and it's gonna take a few business days to get it all back. And so what I did was just bought this one on Amazon. It was less than $30, and pretty much you do a brake job on your own, it'll pay for itself in the first use. So there will be a link in the description, an affiliate link. You know, I get a couple of cents or whatever. You know, guys know how that works usually. But yeah, check that out. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. So out of my kit, I have to select the proper piece, and this will go. All right, so you can see this has these two little nubs that kind of stick out here, and this is going to fit down into there. So when it turns, it's going to compress this. It's going to spin it while it's compressing it down. So now I got my tool here, and then this tool has these nubs, and it's going to fit into these holes that you see there. And actually I got to get one more piece. I get this piece here, and it just goes over like that, and this is going to go in here. Alright, so now that I got this slid in here, I turn this portion. Alright, so I'll turn this portion counterclockwise until this plate is pressing up against here. So you can see this piece is down in here, and all right, so now all I have to do is start turning this clockwise. I'm gonna go slowly. I do have the cap just vented on my my brake fluid fill, you know, cylinder or whatever you want to call that. All right, so as you can see, it is turning it. Sorry guys about the sniffles. It's about 30 degrees out here, so a little bit of nose running. I think I got it. So now what I need to do, I need to get this off, but I don't want to turn this because I'll be undoing this and actually potentially bringing the piston back out. So what I need to do is turn this. As you can see, I can put a wrench on here and turn that, and then I can get this out of here. See guys, so once I started turning that, and then you can turn it clockwise. See, clockwise to bring this down allows you to pull this right on out. Now I can just leave this set up because I'm going to be using this just like this on the other side. Now guys, this is not a video on doing the full brakes and everything. There's tons of videos out there like that already. I simply wanted to cover compressing the piston that has to be turned while being compressed. And there it is, guys. You guys, if you like this video and you want to see more like it, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate any help, and definitely appreciate anyone who uses the affiliate links to pick up, say, the brake compress, the piston compression kit. I appreciate you guys as well. It all helps me make these videos, helps me continue to do what I like to do. All right, thank you.